Okay, guys, Crystal.ai. Now, this is called an artificial intelligence powered business advisor, right? So you'll be able to, ask suggestions based on your social networks, or it's kind of a consultant that you can talk to. For example, you can ask Crystal, how many visitors have come to my site? What are the engagement levels, right? How many people have liked my page? How many people have subscribed to my YouTube channel? Correct. How many people are doing this? How many people are active during this time? Where are my fans based from? Which part of India or which part of the world? Everything you can ask. So that is Crystal. It's called Crystal.ai. So if I go typically to here and type in, or I have it open here, just give me a second. It's called Crystal.ai. Correct. The AI powered business advisor for business intelligence. So it's going to, integrate human conversation in your business intelligence. That means it turns any data into natural language based insights. Correct? So it thinks deep and talks out. That is what how this Crystal.ai is marketed. Typically, what happens is you talk to it. It suggests you something. It gives you insights. For example, here it says, Carl, your sales went up to 9.8% this month, right? So this kind of AI powered advisor that talks and answers to your questions, providing great insights and reports, and sends you updates, and be your kind of your receptionist, and works with Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, Skype, Slack, Telegram, Messenger, and any other application, is pretty cool, right? What do you think? Right? It combines all your data, and with the power of AI, it turns itself into a business advisor, transforms itself into a business advisor that can advise you on anything that you can. Correct? So here you can log in, connect all your accounts. You got to connect your Google Analytics account. You got to connect your Facebook page account, your LinkedIn business page account, not LinkedIn account, LinkedIn business page account, your company showcase page you may have, right? You got to connect that, not Facebook account, Facebook page account, right? You got to connect that. And once you do that, I think Google Analytics also you can connect, and then you can talk to it and enjoy life to the fullest potential. Like this, you can type whatever you want. Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing. Just give me a minute. I keep my spelling wrong all the time. Give enter. The king of DM. Nice to meet you, Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of DM. Which data will you like to uncover together? Marketing, sales, CRM, operations, IoT, marketing. Then it'll ask you to collect your data with a question. Full picture of your marketing data is going to give. This is just a sample data. This is how it gives. Top videos, it gives the ranking, social traffic, your Facebook traffic is getting good, your Instagram is getting good. This is sample data, guys, don't worry. Your LinkedIn, your Twitter account, your YouTube account can be connected to your top videos, 23% engagement score. Take a free tour of my core features. That's what Crystal says. The world's first AI-powered advisor for business intelligence is here. Crystal.ai/en is going to change the world of marketing, sales, CRM, customer relationship management, operations, and IoT. This is going to be the greatest of all time. Google Analytics with AI, have you heard about it? This is where Crystal comes into existence here, that can automate this entire effort of analytics altogether, whatsoever, right? So that's what I'm going to explain. I was explaining this side for you. Your AI business advisor, Crystal.ai, is waiting, and it's all waiting out there for you to try it out. Let's move on to the next video.